Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to change or set your YouTube channel's country. So you can do this on both your mobile device or a computer. So go to the YouTube website, which is youtube.com. Once you're there, you need to log into your specific account. Then select the profile picture icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select YouTube Studio and you'll be taken to studio.youtube.com. Then in the left-hand menu, click on Settings. A new menu will appear and go to the Channels option that is below General. Here, select the country of residence. Click on this drop-down menu and select the country that you belong to. And then select Save. To confirm your changes, go to your channel page and click on the More Information button, and you should see your country and region listed there. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.